everybody on the internet, on the interweb. All right, we are back today. Mr. Pasquale, Mr. Roberto, and we've got two pines today. Got the Mr. Pine. All right, we've got the dead pine, and we had to move the cars here because this is a used car lot, parts and stuff like that. So there's cars everywhere. If we had dropped the tree in, it wouldn't damage anything because the car's already damaged. But they sell the car for parts, doors, parts of the engines and stuff like that. So there's still money in it, and we don't want to damage the cars or something like that. So that's the reason why we had them move it. That way, this is free to fall this way. And then there's a big one back there. I'm not sure if you can see it on camera. Starts at the bottom and goes up there, and it kind of splits off in two. Now that one, we're gonna lower everything down on that side, and we're gonna chip all this brush back into the woods up on this little bank right here. And then the brush on this one, we're gonna chip it down onto the bank. So it's pretty good. And they've got a big machine, and they're gonna put a bucket or a fork on it. We're gonna push some of these logs onto that, and then they're gonna take it over there to that bank and kind of throw it off the bank right there. So yeah, I think it's kind of pretty straightforward. It's gonna be kind of fun. It's kind of a hot day today, but I think we'll make it through it. We'll get through it. Alrighty. Let's see what kind of damage we can cause here. There we go. Perfect. Like that. Heat. Not bad, not bad. They're trying to have a competition to see where it would have landed. His was right here, and his was right here. So he won. He won. Yeah. All right, we're gonna get some of this cleaned up, and then we'll bring you guys back whenever we get started on that big one. All right. So we're on the second pine. All right, so with this one, okay, so we're gonna use this one kind of as a practice tree for a groundsman. I mean, with Pasquale, he knows mostly everything already. Sometimes. And then Roberto, he's still kind of learning. So we're gonna use it as a practice tree, and we're gonna let him use the rope and let some of these limbs run, let some of these logs run, and also let the top run as well. There's no danger here, it's not gonna hurt anything. But with most of these, I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of chop them to the ground, and then whenever I get closer to the top is whenever I'm gonna fix the little pulley, the little block, and that way we can tie some of them and kind of use it as practice. I know some people are gonna say it's a waste of time, what you doing? Well, guess what? I don't care. And yeah, I mean, it's always good, you know, practice. We're good on time right now. So ain't gonna hurt anybody, ain't gonna hurt us, so we're fine. Oh, and I've also got my 200T back. So this has been out of commission for a while because I got the 201, which I like this one a lot better than the 201, but I got the 201, I started using that one a lot more. And then I also got the 355T, the Echo, and I started using that one. And I kind of forgot about this one. So now I got it fixed, I took it to the shop, had it worked on, and now it's a lot better. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna use here. Oh yeah, oh yeah. This puppy's sick. Good? I like it. I like it like that. Probably should have set my line with a throw ball, probably would have been easier. I think that'll work. It's done 2 dead. I mean, they're both dead, but at least it's done 2 of them. Okay, so it's never advisable for anyone to do this. To put their lifeline, climbing line, on a rotten or dead limb. But as I'm not going to put all my weight on it, I'll be okay. Plus, it's close to the base of the tree, so I'll be fine. This is my own doing. If I get hurt, then that's on me. But like I said, I'm not putting all my weight on it, so we'll be fine. In places like this is where a rigid flip line will be really good, you know, like the steel core. But I prefer the ropes just because they're a little lighter, and you know, once you get the hang of them, and it's basically the same thing as a steel core lanyard. So to each their own. But that's not to say I don't use the steel core lanyard. I still use it, just not as often as I used to. Alright, so up here, now let's try and set a rigging point up, but first let's clip our lanyard in. I don't like it whenever it's dangling. Okay. Go. around, that was out of the way. Kind of give it a couple wraps and tuck it in itself, like so. It would have been ideal for me to come up on this side, but it was kind of a little hard because there were no limbs for me to go out on, or to put my climbing line on and be able to come up this way. Throw the line down that way, it's out of his way, out of my way. There's a slip knot in there, that doesn't go through. Break this off with your foot like this. Like that. Now that's another thing. Do I have to have the friction saver here? No, I don't. I could just run it through that and I'd be fine. But just to make things easier, I use it. Okay, and now let's start some. This is where fun begins. Everybody's favorite part. At least this thing isn't long, it's only 150 feet. I want that thing slamming on my head whenever I move down further. There you go. There you go. That slip knot came off right there. That's what's called a slip knot. Half hitch, and then running bowline. Okay, listo. Con una vuelta. So give it one wrap. That should be plenty for this one. Good job. Perfect. That was good. Just gonna cut you guys off here because it's not gonna, or not. Okay, good job. Asked him if it was heavy, he's like, not for me. Good job. That's good. Got it. Okay, good job. Yeah, that was on me. I didn't cut it all the way through. Okay. Ah! You got it. A lot of cars, a lot of car parts too. That thing wanted to come back and get me in the foot. Too fast. Good. He's getting his practice in. He's getting some practice in. You know, it's never enough. You can never learn too much. Not only that, but the limbs are going down neatly. If I had just chunked everything down there like that, dropped them, you know, without a care in the world, then it would have been one big mess for the guys down there. Wow. My man's got it down, but he got stuck in the stub here. There we go. Wow. Battery kind of ran out on that last one. Okay, we'll use this top to lower itself down. Oh, my face! Ah, almost time to look at the eyeball. The height. The height. Some of these logs, I know that's a small block, but if it happens to come off, it's running through two limbs anyway, so it's no problem. It'll withstand it. I'm not going to be taking off any big pieces anyways. Do a half hitch and then running bowling here. Good, perfect. Woo! That's good. Okay, then from here we're just gonna start chunking some stuff down. I don't think I want to use the block here. I'll just send it down that way. So, alright, I'll bring you guys back whenever we start chunking the stuff down. Flat as a pancake. Good job. Okay. Here's the Rescue 8 here to descend. But we're going to keep our flip line on just in case. Okay. Done pretty good. That's pretty much it. And now we're just going to drop the rest of it after we get the cleanup done. And then I'll bring you guys right back. Alright. So we got everything else down. Now the only thing left is the stake right here. Got two cars right here. We were kind of challenged to put it right here in the middle. And I think I can do it. I'm pretty sure I can. You think I can?
Yeah, right here.
Yeah, right there. It'll land right there. So it's a pretty good shot, pretty fun shot. We'll see how it goes, guys. Up. They were telling me it's over here, but nah, it's not. Watch, I'm gonna twist this tree and it's gonna land just right here. No problem. I don't know why he's trying to pull it over there. All right, here it goes. Gosh. Ah. I thought I had it right. What happened?
Hey, yo te dije que no era ahí. Tú no me hiciste caso. Yo te dije que no aquí.
Got it. Nah, I'm just playing, guys. You know, we had the opportunity to crush a car. I mean, who wouldn't take that opportunity? And we decided to go full on it. So thank you very much to the owners for letting us use the car. Okay. All right, there's the stump. He said it's fine just to leave it like that. And this is the aftermath of that tree. This thing came down full force and it crushed that little car. That car is probably about at this height. Now it's just down here. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, because I know we did. It was a lot of fun. It was a lot of fun. You know, there's some training in there, you know, training the ground guy, and then we had some fun with this right here. So I think it was pretty good. I think it was pretty good. So let me know what you guys think, what you guys would have done. Like I said, you know, it's not every day that you get offered an opportunity to crush something with a tree. So they're like, hey, why not? And I was like, why not? So I did. So it was fun. It was fun. All right, peace out. See you guys later.